Hello everyone, most welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Global UV. Today I am going to talk how to start to speak English language. This video for beginner person who want to learn English language. Nowadays English language is very demand in every sector. Different purpose people are learning this language for job purpose, for study purpose, many other reasons. But how to start to speak English language? This video for beginner. In this video I am going to tell you what should you have to do for learning this language. You watch whole video because this video is very helpful for you. I will give you very simple step to learn this language. If you follow my step, surely your English will be improved, and this is a very simple step and I will tell you all the step one by one. First, you have to learn English vocabulary word. Why I'm going to tell you? Because when you make a sentence in English language without word, how can you make a sentence? A group of words make a complete sense. I give you very small example. When you talk to someone in English language and you want to tell about any object and you don't know that meaning of that object in English language, you know all the things about in your native language, but you have no meaning about that object in English language. How can you share your thought, opinion to other person? Yeah, any other time, yeah, any topic. That's why you have to need to learn first vocabulary, improve your English word meaning. This is the very important to learn English language. Without vocabulary, how can you make a sentence, a group of words, make a complete sense? The focus on word make a complete sentence. That's why first you have to need improve vocabulary. Second, English grammar. English grammar is important for learning language. Yes, English grammar is important for learning language because you are living in that country. You are not speaking English language whole day. That's why you have need English grammar. But not all the English grammar you have need. You learn some basic English grammar. That grammar is important for learning language. Just I give you very small example. You are making sentence related to past time and you have no knowledge about past tense. How can you make a structure? You make a structure like a present tense. You use do, does, have. The other person thinking you are saying to me present time, not in past time. If you have knowledge, you make a structure past tense. You use was, were, had, V3 means you make a sentence in proper way by the help of English grammar. English grammar, this is the very important for learning language. Third step, listen, practice. Do listen, practice in English language. You listen English song, watch English movie, listen English conversation. Means you do listen, practice only in English language. This is the very helpful for you because when you listen any English movie, English song, in your mind different type of word memorize. You learn lots of word by the listen practice. That's why this is the very important for English speaking practice. This is very important for beginner persons. When you start to learn this language, first you try to do more listen practice. Fourth, reading and writing. You read a book, newspaper, and you write on your copy what you have read from newspaper and your book. This is a very important step for improve English language. Last, do a speaking practice. Do more English speaking practice. This is the very important. Without English speaking practice, how can you learn this language? You have English grammar, you already do reading and writing practice, means all the step you complete. but you are not doing English speaking practice. How can you learn this language? You select any partner, that person who know English language. You select your level. This is more better for you, because sometimes what happen, if you talk to someone who is very fluent in English language, and many times people are demotivated. He is just speaking very fluent in English language. I'm not good in English language. How can I learn this language? If you do practice with your level, that is more better for you, and you do practice with that person, you will not demotivate. That is very better for you. And when do you talk to someone, that times you try to deliver what you want. You discuss with different topic, like a subjective topic, and other topic related to your society. Means you discuss different type of topic. That is more better for you. When do you talk with your partner? When do you practice? If you are making any mistake, you tell to your friend, please you tell me if I'm making mistake, you tell me, and you try to improve where do you make a mistake, and what you have to need to learn English grammar, yeah, any other things. You learn day by day, all the things will be good, and one day you will be very good as speakers. Do practice every day. Do practice every day. This is the language, not a subject. You learn this language in few week, few month. If you do more practice, then your language will more improve, and you have good command on this language. You do more practice, regular practice, and you learn every day some English grammar, vocabulary, and other things related to English language. If you do practice, only one day you are a good speaker. Thank you so much for watching my video. Best of luck for your new learning language journey.